Hello all nighters. Today I am going to discuss about hashing and its techniques. Basically, hashing is the process of converting an input of any length into a fixed size string or number using some algorithm. In hashing, we will be converting a large number into a small number or a number of fixed size using some particular algorithm. Basically, we use hashing for storing and retrieving data efficiently. So, by using hashing, we can retrieve and store data in order of one time. Suppose let us consider binary search, searching of elements in an array. So it takes order of log n time. So using this hashing technique, we can retrieve the element using order of one time. So there are many hashing techniques used. One of the hashing technique is division method. So let us understand the concept of hashing using some analogies like storing of books in the library. So let us consider that some books are stored in the library. They are stored in some racks, and the racks are assigned some IDs or numbers. So we can easily access the book using the rack number. Here the rack number is the index of the table, and the rack is the table, and the books are our keys. So let us relate this analogy with one of our hashing technique, that is division method. So in this division method, the hash function is here k is the key and table size is the size of the table. So let us store some elements and retrieve some elements using the hashing technique division method. Let us store these elements with the table size 5. So first we have to apply this hash function on every input element, and we have to get the index, and we have to store that element in a particular index. So if we do 1 mod 5, then the value is 1. Here key is 1 and the table size is 5. And 2 mod 5, we will be getting 2, 3 mod 5 3, 4 mod 5 4, and 5 mod 5 0. So in the 0th index, we are storing the element So in the 0th index, we are storing the element 5, and in the first index, we are storing 1, second index 2, third index 3, fourth index 4. So suppose let us assume that these all elements are stored in some array. To search for 2 or to retrieve the second element out of that array, we require order of log n time. So, but in using this hashing technique, we have reduced that order of log n time to order of 1. Let us see how we can reduce it. See, here in this way we have inserted the elements into the table. As this is a computational task, it takes order of constant time. And when we are retrieving the element from the hash table, we will again apply the same hash function on the key. So suppose if we want to retrieve the element 2, so we will apply the hash function on the 2. So 2 mod 5, it will generate again 2. So directly we got the index, and we are going to that index and retrieving the element. So here we don't need to traverse the entire array, or no need to do binary search like dividing the elements into the half and making the elements to be sorted order. Directly we can get the table size. So this can be done in order of one time. So we have gotten the index of the table. So using that index, we have access to the element. In this way, we can reduce the order time complexity from order of log n to order of 1 using the hashing method.